Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope all is well with you. Good day, good afternoon, good evening to you, depending on your time zone. We are here again to go through a press release from DPM, and she made this post on her X handle, and she says something very, very important. Before we go into that, I want to let you know that I saw a post of Iken Guru Agbonwawayogiri. He made a post talking about how they captured Biafrans and tortured them, how they're going to send some of them to school, Kabiama and right. Maybe I will play part of the video for you because I intentionally ignored, that post because I felt like we're actually promoting this nonsense. I used to kind of pay attention to his words, but what happened recently about this guy that died in Anambra State, where Udogachi group of people went there by the person and started cooking up stories that the guy they are selling Ahike, they are doing this and doing that. You remember the video that some women protested, against the governor of the state. About the death of the guy. Before the protest and before the true story surfaced, this guy Ikengurago rushed on social media, begin to tell people that the guy died. He formulated a story to promote the people that died the guy, saying that the guy, he made the story as if the guy is at fault. All right, and he's here again giving another story. This one. Just a moment. Let me see if I can. I want to adjust a little bit. Okay, let's go. Listen. Dominion pastor. If goes Orabueze. Now during the time of Simon if I'm Dominion, the pastor went church. Now Sabbath. And this Dominion for the deputy governor of their so-called Ikemba state. Yemana goes Orabueze great state. Remember Anambra state, Ikemba. Now, I want you to pay attention the body language, how we'll be adjusting his shoulders while talking about his spinal web and spinal group. This is another, psychologically, to me, I felt something, that you will know that this person, what he says is not true, and the way he's trying to, prove that the group is untouchable and unbeatable and all that. I don't know the group. I'm not here for the group. I just want to know that the guy is doing something, playing dirty game, dirty job to convince some people to believe him. Deputy governor, you see his shoulder? People that can read people, those that can read people's body language and the psyche of some people while lying, or those people that are very good in dictating lies, who understand what these are doing, adjusting his shoulder, trying to be, trying to kind of compose himself while talking. That to me signals something not so good, you understand, about his personality. But this guy in the right at back of Anambra State Police Headquarters, DSS Headquarters, and the government launch air bonus. And this person in the for Peter Carlo, who goes Orabueze go to Abu Governor on our 24 years then governor of Anambra State. But all we have I've been in the United States of America. Oh, when down upon men on black. Every day, men on black into no if even your neighbor, even your wife, when you're not even I'm a mantis on to Onyasi. But I'm happy to announce to you
No, so among the people known as Spider's web.
Watch his shoulder.
I will always come out to update you people.
Watch his shoulder.
When the time is due. In actual, your honorable deputy governor and the then governor, if anyone, not Canada, right? Go about the main governor. But because they know all the heavy equipment.
So I don't want to go for that. If you can dictate lies, you understand a lot from this video. He mentioned about Americans, men on black and all that. So see how black people reason. You are in America, the only thing you can learn and copy from them is this kind of thing. You don't copy free education, you don't copy health system, you don't copy good environment, good road networking, you don't copy constant power supply, you don't copy good economy, you don't copy anything, protection, dignity, you don't copy anything apart from, you don't copy infrastructure, you don't copy advancement of technology, you don't copy anything. And you want people to take you serious. These people are insulting your intelligence and insulting you beyond human comprehension. Even animals don't deserve this kind of insult. That I told you I'm not going to play the video to the end because it doesn't, to me, this is an old story. The thing is that Biafrans are now complaining about the constant kidnapping of youth and all that. Last night, I made a video. I talked about the Fulani attack in Imo State. YouTube sees that video. All right, they said that I display a lot of graphic images. I even tried my best to cover some parts. Yet I have placed review. That video is going to be on a second platform. Anytime that after the argument between us and UIT, whoever that win the case, if we eventually win, I will release the video. Maybe, but it may get to you late. Now, why am I even referring that to you now? Because there's so many things going on in our land that has nothing to do with the Biafra nation. These people have to label Biafrans as status names for them to go and pick them and buy them. Do you understand? If you're in a WhatsApp group, you must have seen the video that I dropped there. If you have not in a WhatsApp group, please join the WhatsApp group. The entrance is actually free. Anybody can. The link, okay, you go to my bio here. End of my video, go to the description of the video. You will see link. That link, will just click on it. It will take you to WhatsApp group. Do you understand? Follow the WhatsApp group. You will see the video there. If you join late, if I see maybe a couple of 5 people that join newly, I will upload that video again for you to see, because you may not see it because you are just joining, right? So I may release it again later in the day or tomorrow, so that you can watch the video of what happened. Just few of the videos. I tried to show it a little bit in that video. That's why YouTube said no. So imagine video that YouTube is angry with. Compare it with what happened in the state. This is just few, and bodies of people people's body were littered everywhere. Like a lot of bodies, a lot of people died because of that incident. It happened last night. Fulani invaded Imo State and 5 people. Our brother called Alex 042. I think he's a good guy. Released a video of what Fulanis are doing, how they're invading Enugu State. These are videos with facts and figures. You won't see, God forbid, you won't see pineapple haircut woman, to mention anything about it. You won't see this guy here mention anything about it. Neither will you see Kesho, Sojo, Vika, Ikengu, Udele, all of them. You know all of these people. And GOS, they don't talk about it. They want to focus on Master Monakano eat our money, Master Monakano sleep with women, Master Monakano did his work. Their job. Those of you that still have your brain intact, run away from this class of people. They are not for you, not at all. And here, if you play the video further, you will hear him talking about how that they are in charge of Enugu State and Anambra State, that anybody in Enugu State and Anambra State that is actually agitating or talking about Biafra, that they have one button to send you to Chukwuka Biama, special envoy that will send places to Chukwuka Biama, bragging on how they are killing people. Now, today, something happened, and I don't know. I don't want to claim anything, but I just want to follow it the way DPM posted it on her X handle. So I will start by reading those things. Then, after, you can now make your judgment by yourself. So what you have here is from DPM Orabueze making a statement press release that is May 14, 2026, statement of caution to the federal government of Nigeria. Urgent call for peaceful dialogue on United States of Biafra USB independence with Dr. Orabueze to end bloodshed. The United States of Biafra USB government and cabinet issues this word of caution. The cost of continued violence is too high. A report of spying of USB citizens and Nigerian security personnel. Watch the video. So this is the report about from both sides. DPM is setting the record straight that Biafrans have been killed and Nigerian security personnel, aka integrated armed force, are also being killed. She's just made it clear for everybody to understand. He said, have created the killing of these two people, two parties fighting each other, have created a circle of retaliation that benefits no one. This circle could get worse if nothing addressed immediately. So Nigerian government want to retaliate by burning innocent people's house, home, and all that. Of course, that the same people will also reshuffled or reorganize themselves and also attack the Nigerian army and Nigerian police as well. They reported kidnapping of Mr. Dominion and Mrs. Ezima, and the alleged use of AI generated messages to implicate citizens have deepened mistrust. Every life lost, Biafran or Nigerian is a failure of leadership. Because in recent time, we have seen that, like if you follow this year with Yoguri, you will hear him talking about, oh, this message was seen from Dominion. This is what they're planning on, how to buy ammunition, on how to burn an Empire State and DPM is letting you know that most of those things that are alleged of these people are actually AI generated information. If you know how Nigerian security, Nigerian army work, you will know that they can label anything against you. Anything. It's not about the Biafra issue. Even normal circumstances, as even as a Nigerian, many of you have witnessed that, how they will bring that gun and give it to you and claim that you committed social crime and all that. Last week, I reported the news of DPM also made a post because I got that news from her handle, where a young lady in Delta State cried out and she was crying for help actually, that they labeled her that she's a prostitute. And because of that, they tortured her like an animal. And they tortured her like animal. She wants justice. She knew the DPO and the police station that actually, labeled them what they are not. They tortured them to accept that they are, they're into hookup and all that, just to label them what they are not. DPM says peaceful separation talks are the lawful paths. We caution the federal government of Nigerian military forces cannot end an idea and suppression fuels resistance. The only doable solution is dialogue. I urge you to open immediate and good faith talk on peaceful separation with credible Biafran representative to be led by Dr. Orabueze to negotiate terms under the OAS, African Union, Pan-African Forum, and UN frameworks to be led by the Organization of Emerging African States, OEAS. History will judge this moment. Nigerian and United States of Biafra stands at a crossroad. You can be remembered as the administration that chose war without end, or as the leaders who had the courage to negotiate peace and stop the killing on both sides. The world is watching. The OEAS, Pan-African Limited Forum, International Criminal Court, UN Human Rights Council, and global media are documenting every reported atrocities. Our demand to prevent further loss of life. 1 or A. Withdraw and ceasefire. Withdraw all Nigerian military, police, DSS from the 40th state of Biafra, 40th state of Christian nation of Biafran territory. Halt all the forceful withdrawals, kidnapping by Nigerian Biafran agents, halt all invasion of Biafran families at night by Nigerian agents using hillocks, armor tanks, AK-47s, etc. Halt all active Nigerian invasion and military operation in the 40th state of United States of Biafra, USB territory. B. Release all innocent USB detainees. Free Mr. Dominion, Mr. Ezima, Oganiru Biafra, Jerry Ikuku, and many innocent Biafrans fighting for their freedom and confronting the reintegrated terrorists brought in by Nigerian delegitimized governors and the Nigerian government into Biafran territory. Free all USB citizens held without charge or trial, and stop burning innocent Biafran homes and destroying their economic power. C. Meet Dr. Ngozi Orabueze and Biafran representative with your Nigerian negotiators within 30 days of OEAS, Pan-African Forum, UN mediated talks on separation modalities and determination. D. End AI evidence fraud. Stop the forceful taking of innocent Biafran citizens' cell phones. E. End terrorism in Biafran territory and stop the propaganda by Nigerian politicians that fuel global terror and promote transactional repression. Dr. Ngozi Orabueze has constantly advocated and used non-violent legal pathways to United States of Biafra Freedom and Independence, which was released on November 29, 2024 in Lahti, Finland. To ignore her voice and continue your current modus operandi is to choose more graves. We caution no nation prosper by killing its own future. The United States of Biafra Christian nation seeks lives, not war. Meet us at the table, not the battlefield. The time to talk is now, before the next mother buries a child in USB or in Nigeria. Issued by Dr. Ngozi Orabueze, DPM, COS, United States of Biafra. She made this post, as you can see, well balanced, well detailed, and giving you insight of what is going on to understand that some of those allegations are actually fabricated. Can you swear that Nigerian government are not doing that? We know them to do this kind of thing. That's what the fact. So how can you defend them on that? So the videos here is actually what happened, in different places in different land, and how Nigerian army or police personnel and their vehicle got burnt, and they just raised it down. All right. I'm sorry, I'm not going to play here because I'm afraid of what happened to me earlier today. For the fact that I reported what happened in Imo State yesterday, just show a little bit of it without even showing the death or anything at all. The video was held and still going through other investigation. So please and please, if you are following DPM, kindly go to her Twitter handle and watch this video. I think it's one of the latest uploads or latest posts from her on her X. Please, and follow her on her X, of course, because most of you don't follow her on her X. I don't know what is wrong with you. Please follow her so you'll be updated and you will be able to know what is going on. It's always one of the ways to understand, to follow things in the right path is you making sure that you follow the people or the person that giving you the details of what happened, not people that we, cook anyhow just for saying sake and get away with it. So that is not. See, this is one of the video. I'm just giving it a try because what. So, okay, you're gonna come back to know what you have to do with this and all that. So you see, this is the hillocks. So I'm sorry, like I told you, please go to our X handle and watch the full video. All right, or you can also check it on our WhatsApp group. I will share this link to our WhatsApp group so it will be easy for you to follow her up and watch the video in fullness. I'm sorry, like I said, because of the platform is not owned by Kai Report. We actually registered it here. We are just one of the users, on YouTube. Please like the video and let me know what you think about all this. Because so far, God bless you and take care of yourself. Make sure you like the video. I want to hear from you. What do you think about what DPM said? Do you agree or disagree? Is there anything confusing you about her statement? If there is, put it on the comment section. Let's hear you. Let's discuss it. Maybe people that know better than I do may be watching and they will throw more light to your question. God bless you and take care of yourself. Bye-bye for now.